Here in Central Texas, a Travis County judge is taking a look at new evidence in a 2005 murder case of a 10-month-old baby. Carmen Mejia is currently serving 3 life sentences for that child's death. The baby sustained major burns from hot water in a bathtub while under Mejia's care. Now, at the time, the prosecution claimed Mejia intentionally held the baby under the burning water. But now, new scientific evidence may suggest otherwise. KVUE's Malia Masamoto sat in on that hearing today and tells us how attorneys say new evidence is affecting this case.
Quita, in the original trial, the state's expert who claimed Mejia did this intentionally was a non-medical burn expert. But today they brought in a burn surgeon with years treating these types of wounds. Now, he claims that because the water got up to 147 degrees, this life-threatening burn would have happened instantly, meaning no one would have had to hold this baby under the water for it to happen. Also, with intentional immersion burns, he said if a person is holding someone in the water, there would be parts of the body that wouldn't get burned. It's called sparing, he said, because those parts of the body would be touching the bottom of the tub and therefore not getting burned by the water. He testified that this child did not have those. There was also a concern that Mejia didn't get this child the care he needed soon enough. It took her about an hour and a half to get all of her other kids ready and find money for gas to get to a clinic. Now, this clinic eventually sent Mejia home with the child and not to the ER immediately, which they should have, he claims. But even if everything was done correctly, the burn surgeon said the likelihood of this child surviving from that burn was very slim.
The jury was told that this had to be an intentional act, that an adult had to have held this child in the bathtub, and that testimony was just not true. What we now know, because of new evidence, new witness accounts, that this is completely consistent with an accident.
Today, the court also entered 3 affidavits into evidence from experts who testified in the original trial. After seeing the new evidence, all of them now claim the incident could have been accidental, even the medical examiner going as far as changing her opinion on the manner of death from homicide to accident. Now, this case was brought about by the bailiff in the original trial. He always felt that Mejia didn't get an accurate trial, so he brought it up to the Innocence Project after he retired. There will be more hearings in this case before the Court of Criminal Appeals decides where this case will go to next. From the Travis County Courthouse, Malia Masamoto, KVUE News.